Three of some of my favorite low cap AI coins that we're about to jump through today. Now, some of them are moving very, very well and are up from cycle lows. So is most of this market. But does that mean there is not a lot of opportunity left in these coins? Absolutely not. Let's dive in, shall we? Let's go. Now, in no particular order, lie or layer AI. Now, all low caps are risky. So just remember, if you are going into low cap coins, then they do come with a much higher risk than the top coins. But this is number one on the list today, Layer AI or Live, which is the ticker just here. Now, where can we buy it from? Really, really easy to find out where to buy things from. Head over onto websites such as CoinMarketCap. Scroll down and you'll notice that this is available on most major exchanges, including Mexi, KuCoin, BitGet, and Bybit, and others, but they are the easy go-to exchanges for a lot of people in this market. Now, currently running in and around the $51 million market cap with the max market cap of 58 mil. That is a good supply in circulation, really nicely weighted above the 90%. So the team actually have a lot of the supply currently available for its investors to buy, and they're not holding the vast majority. Really, 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 really positive. One of the things that I really like as well is active, engaging teams. It's actually a really big, important thing that I look into before nearly anything else, to be honest. But if you just even head over onto their Twitter, you'll notice that their Twitter page, one, does have a lot of people. I would hope that a lot of them are real and not bots, but they do get a lot of engagement on a lot of posts. That is a really good sign. High engagement, lots of views for a low cap coin, really good place to be in. And you'll also notice that they post a lot. They post daily or every other day. Things like this just say to be engaging team, no matter what market condition we're going through. They were active during that downturn and they're still active today. Really, really, really good sign. The website, and as you can see, it's AI monetization within its AI models. There's a lot going on here, to be honest. They've got like over 12 different types of use cases, everything from a Layer AI app. You've got your open dashboard that you can use where, let's just click on it, where you can buy, you can stake, and that's where you'd put your Layer AI into staking. You've got an NFT marketplace and a lot more. Another one that's quite hot topic right now is Web3 browsers or private browsers. Is everything 100% private? I don't know. I'm not that far technical to understand that. But Web3 browsers right now, where your cookies and your data is not automatically tracked and captured, they also have a solution for that. They have their own VPNs. And another good thing is they have a burning mechanism. So currently you can see some of their burns just here. Shows you how much they've burnt, and it has been quite a lot currently. They do give you the projection as well. There was Q2's projections, and then there is the final projection for 2024. That is a hell of a lot of tokens to be burnt. Burning the tokens, guys, pretty much lowers that supply overall, can be very, very positive for the overall price action for the coin. And that's something that we will jump into right now. So Layer AI in a nutshell. So some of these charts I've already been doing. It's no secret that I'm in these coins. If you follow me on other socials, me and the Patreon group, we have been buying this extremely low all the way down here, to be honest. And we was buying it down here in January, and some people may have even sniped it in them Octobers. But most of my buying has been on round about this horizontal level. Now the chart looks messy currently. Did a lot of doodling. But a couple of key things here. First of all, the trend has stayed very much intact just here. So there was a lot of tests to the lower trend, and now we are moving off. There was a longer downturn, obviously coming from the March levels, when everything had a huge kick in the face. Positive holding this area, positive holding trend. Then we had a first breakout. So we had a breakout, and then we did actually come back and retest trend. And this second one here is that secondary breakout, or you could even look at the breakout in this cat type of context. And we've got a breakout, fingers crossed, positive retest, and we move on up. That's the expectation anyway. You know, solid team, very, very active team. low market cap, burning loads of use cases, and AI is here to stay. I really do think AI is going to be a really, really big narrative in this market. The other one here, you could be looking at a potential nearly completion of what we would call an inverse head and shoulders. That's been covered on some videos on this channel already. And then there would be the neckline. So currently, to get some more ultra bullish confirmation and further continuation, we would be looking at a break above 0.024, closures above, and that should really send this off for the cycle. So that is coin number one in a nutshell. We're going to keep these compact and tight, and we're going to move on to the next one. Secondly, a lot of you might have heard of this coin, but Oraichain. Now, this is a coin I've really enjoyed for a long time. It's a faithful coin of mine. I've always had a lot of faith in it, to be honest, and I am expecting for myself personally, and fingers crossed for anyone else in this market, many more gains to come. So first of all, I mean, if you're a little bit bad at mental arithmetic like myself and you're not able to kind of just do it off the top of your head, the actual amount of tokens in circulation, just bring yourself down onto CoinMarketCap and hover on this section here and it will tell you. So there you go, 69.89% or 70% if you wanted to round it up. So 70% of the coins in circulation for investors to buy, that is still pretty decent, especially compared to how a lot of other coins are kind of positioned currently with their available supply to how much their team is holding. $162 million market cap, all going to be released, 232 million. So this is still a low cap coin, especially according to Google's reasons of what a low cap is. Anything below $1 billion. It is kind of on the high side currently. I like to get coins below $100 million, which we did, but I still think it's a coin valid for a video. Where do we buy this from? Once again, all major exchanges, Mexi, Crypto.com, Gate, KuCoin, BitGet, and all the others and decentralized exchanges. Let's go back to one of the important things at hand for me. How active are they? How busy are they? How much work is that team putting in? You don't just have to use Twitter for this, by the way. You can use Twitter. You can then go on to their Telegram groups or Discord groups, and you want to be seeing how active the developers are in communications, the moderators, answering questions or concerns as well. For me, when a team has a rocky moment or something's not going quite right and their investors are concerned, if the team answers back correctly or in a good structured way, I actually like that. So currently, as you can see, 19 minutes ago was the last type of event that they were on. I think that would have been, yes, it was a live. Did you know it was 8 hours ago? And a couple of retweets as well. So as you can see, active project, and you just keep going down and have a little look at their activity. And there is big influencers. Wiz is a very well-known influencer on this platform, and there is a lot of support from the big guys as well. Couple of things, a lot of these AI coins can be quite similar as well. It's a layer one AI frameworks that build human-centric artificial intelligence and decentralized infrastructures. The one thing that we've not touched upon too much is decentralized science. So not only is this involved within decentralized and platforms and NFTs, but smart healthcare and more. Decentralized science is a bit of a slacking narrative for now, but I do think it's going to be a fundamental, huge narrative in the world over the next 4 to 8 years. And blockchain technology really can help healthcare systems across the world. Take a look on the website. They've got many, many, many official partnerships. It's ridiculous how many they've actually got. And since it seems to be like we're getting a bit of an alien invasion trending around Twitter at the moment across the world, there's a bit of a narrative fitter for us as well, if you're into conspiracies. Oraichain chart itself looks really, really good here. Again, you got really nice ascending trends. This was a key level of demand back into a pullback again after the March highs, and this was a really good secondary opportunity, but it is still below March highs. So $160 million market cap, really could be looking at multi-billions of market cap on coins like this. If you're happy with potential, 10x's, 20x's, 30x's, 40x's, this still really could be a really strong contender for a lot of people. If we pull this all the way across, there's quite a lot of contact points and confluence areas here. So for me, strong pivotal area for a ride to be flipping and well holding, and now we need to obviously flip the next. So it's one of them. If you've missed the train, I'm not saying you have, but if you get in down here, yes, there's an entry, but the same way there's an entry miss there. And this is kind of where me and my guys were honestly buying first time round. The link is also just in the front here. And we were snatching a ride quite from early because I've been very, very bullish on AI for a long time. We will be looking at a break of around $20, and it really just opens the ceiling for a ride at that point. And then where can it go from there? How long is a piece of string? But, you know, your guess is as good as mine. I'm expecting big numbers, maybe do some price target videos in the near future when we get a bit more bullish and people might believe them. And then, yeah, really, really key breakout area coming here at $20. Once we break that, I would be expecting some serious, serious growth in the project. So let's move on to the last one, shall we? Then we have Neural AI or Neural, and 10 million tokens in supply. That's actually really, really good tokenomics. Quite a low amount of tokens considering how many other coins sometimes throw billions out there. 134 million market cap currently, and it has been exploding. But it's a coin that I did not want to miss off this channel from this point on. I don't understand tweets like or messages like this. It has no chance of industry adoption. Okay. Now let me just go on to where we can obtain this. Not much availability overall. It is mainly decentralized exchange coin currently. Uniswap is obviously one of the main places to get it from. I don't really want to annoy people, but I'm not the biggest fan of Bitmart myself personally, and I would definitely, well, I personally use Uniswap a lot more than Bitmart. I don't really use Bitmart anymore, but Uniswap is a place where you can get it from, and let's just go into the chart. So tiny issue, and it does say high risk. Now, let's be honest, all the cryptos high risk, especially when we're going down such low market caps and fresh narratives such as lower market cap AI coins. The high risk on this one, everything else is kind of ticked, whereas is the liquidity locked or not is the question. So whether the liquidity is locked for a specific amount of time, generally considered to be a positive signal that the project is committed to longer term success. So there's no long-term liquidity lock-in, not according to what they've disclosed to coin market cap. Everything else has been ticked, so high risk, I don't know. Maybe I'd put it down as an amber more than a red alert. But everything that you take on board, guys, remember, none of this is financial advice. It's all my opinions. It's coins that I'm in. It's coins that I'm chancing. It's coins that I want to give a go. Daily time frame on this now, as you can see, it's moved aggressive and moved very well. That being said, it's on no major exchange yet. It's really only obtainable on Bitmart Uniswap. So with it being on no major exchange yet, with this pullback potentially incoming as well, I mean, could we look at levels where if people wanted to start rebuying, of course we could be looking at 10.30, and then maybe even if you get a bigger correction down to 6.4. None of these are trade calls. None of these are entry videos or anything along them lines. It is content of coins that I like and that I still think's got a high chance of keeping on growing throughout the bull run we're going through. Hopefully that expected alt season that we all want. And coins like this, $100 million market cap, still has a lot of room left in the tank. It is AI and gaming combined. Now, I'm hugely bullish on gaming and I'm hugely bullish on AI. These are two things you'll notice as you go through me through YouTube and other platforms that I may be on. Gaming and AI combined. So the first thing I thought straight away was, let's just get some of it. Let's snatch some of it up. And yes, I've got a really good entry on the market on this, and I am up. But like I stressed, I still think there could be a lot of room for growth. And considering it's only on one decentralized exchange overall, 130 odd million. Well, what was it again? Let's just have a little look. Yeah, it's dropped a little bit, but $125 million market cap currently. That is not a bad look. In-game AI creation, creating digital assets within minutes in games, really, really good tool for gaming developers, especially if they're wanting to make really cool NFT type of products for their games. And that, people, is basically the free coins that I like the look of currently. Remember, like I stressed, none of this is an entry signal. It's not a set play, call, price, and then sell points. It is just free gems in this market, in the AI space, that I think has got a lot more room for growth. And that's it from me. I have been Fitzo Crypto. Hopefully you've liked this video. If you've, like I've said, if you've got any other suggestions, any coins you want me to run through, any market updates you want me to get through, please feel free to leave comments in the comment section. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button, and then you'll be notified every time I do a video. Thank you very much for the support. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.